How can we drive consistent predictability throughout our business? How can we look from a CRO level all the way to an AE level and have a single lens with a single talk track so everyone's singing from the same hymn sheet? I'm Peter Kerr, Director of Sales Operations, International FinancialForce, so responsible for the go-to-market strategy, the forecasting, the data analysis for our EMEA and APAC regions, as well as our shared services. So that includes the likes of Clari, Outreach, Zoom Info, to ensure that we have a go-to-market strategy that empowers the sales team to get the most out of their time. So this year, our top priorities are going to be to not only onboard and ramp and get productive our new starters quicker as we go and expand those teams, but also get more productivity against our current team. So the AEs that need to push up into larger deal sizes, quicker sales cycles, and really allow us to grow organically as opposed to just having to add new heads into the business. So tangible business outcomes that Clari really drives for us is being able to predict and forecast predictably 1 quarter out within 10%. And what that does is it breeds confidence within not just the sales teams that they can deliver what they're saying they're going to deliver, but for us to be able to push towards an IPO is actually make sure that we have that consistent, predictable business and we're going to do what we're going to say. So what really excites me with the partnership with Clari and how we're going to build to the future together is the pace at which new elements are being added all the time and that they are relevant to the business. They allow us to see the productivity elements that we need to grow. They allow us to track and measure and monitor and make strategic decisions in real time as opposed to having to wait for that information or have static information. It gives us the single lens to be able to drive accountability through the business, all within a tool that utilises what we already have in Salesforce.